Our favourite element is probably literally waking up in the morning and walking down the hallway and just being enveloped in light and garden and sky and seeing everything that's happening outside from the couch or the kitchen or the playroom.
When I first saw the plans, especially for the addition, just the sheer height of it, the openness of the glass windows, it was really something quite different, and I knew it was going to be a challenge and very technical. So we were excited about commencing the project, but also the challenge of the project as well, and working with Greg and Ben and the clients, Julian and Kelly.
So we really liked the original character of the place. It obviously needed a facelift, but we really wanted the opportunity to put our stamp on the back, and we really wanted a character-fronted home juxtaposed with a nice modern addition.
Through Greg, our architect's recommendation, we met Craig, and immediately it became obvious that this guy's personality and professionalism is exactly what fits with us, and that carried the whole way through the project, which was really incredibly stress-free and enjoyable, and with a great end result.
Oh, there were certainly challenges during the build, like any big renovation, particularly when you're building on the existing part of the property, creating the large window that looked into the courtyard in the playroom. When we started to cut that out, the existing brickwork was undermined, so a few structural requirements around that. And Julian and Kelly and Greg were great to work with, and I felt that we all worked really well together to get a good result.
Well, obviously this was the first project that we've done with Craig and his team. We'd obviously been aware of his work for a while, and the attention to detail, the level of execution of his projects speaks for itself. We had great faith that they would deliver the project well, and as we went through the evolution of the construction site, we saw the concrete slab go down and just how beautifully executed it was. We saw the framing go up and just how sharp it was. There was no question that wasn't going to turn into a similarly sharp outcome.
Being able to just move out for 12 months and know that your site is being managed and built to time and done properly made the whole process really smooth, I guess, and stress-free, because I know that this process can be overwhelming, it can be stressful, but we had a really great 12 months to the point where we will probably do it again.
Yeah, well, I think full credit to Craig and his team for delivering the project to the level of detail that they have. Obviously we worked closely with them through the build, but Craig and Andy took the intention of every detail to its fullest and delivered some, beautiful junctions, beautiful connections. Some of the details have just been delivered exquisitely.
I just think how the overall project's come together, and it's a credit to Greg and his team, and also Julian and Kelly's style. Everything just works well together. I think the whole project, the doors, the joinery, the stone, the floor finishes, the lighting, everything just works beautifully.
You know, so much glass letting light in, and I love spending time outdoors in the garden, and you can live your life inside with your kids and feel completely connected to that at all points of the day.